Today it's a fixing video. Voila. And with the trusty Araldite, right, I'm going to show you how I go from this handle, oh sorry that way, to it's broken. I've actually nearly fixed it, there you go. Right, so there's what the problem is. In all the gubbins, okay, this cap here has separated itself from the lead, okay. Now, that's got to go on like that as part of the rebuild. So my plan is, I'm hoping to put all this together with a mixture of that. So, it's going to be a quick one, so without further ado, let's get this all back together again. And yes, that is the way the handle goes. Okay, so as you can see, right, alright, so the slider's in properly, the plastics are in properly, and all I've really got to do now is Araldite into here, put that cap on, and then this finishing plate just goes right onto there. Okay, so let's go and mix the Araldite up. Trying to get that a wee bit clearer. So, we're using the Araldite before, and know that you don't need to mix up much of this stuff. Right, there's a wee bit of goo on my finger. So, and that, believe it or not, is far, far, far too much. But, although it's too much, I'd rather mix too much than not enough. Now a good mixture of this stuff mixes the curing agent with the bonding agent, and hopefully I can actually fill this up. Now that is actually at a great height for what I'm wanting, and hopefully that will cure. So what we'll do is I'm gonna let that cure a bit. What I'll do as well is, because as you see, I've got some touching, I'll get a pointer, I've got some touching right in here, right, and because it's touching that is a movement part, okay, so, mind you, it's not bonding. I'll still want to clean it though, because it's an overspill, so let's go and clean it. Oh, look at this. It's only gone and worked. Right, let's fit the plate on. Plate on. Now to the window. Okay, so that's it on. 4 screws. Window's opening. There you go. Window shut. And just like that, I have fixed it. Nice one.